Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade smoked mackerel fish using either your oven or your air fryer. The first thing I'm going to do is to clean my mackerel. So I'm going to cut it open at the chest and then take out the guts. Usually the one we buy from the market has all the guts in it, but since I'm making it at home, I decided, whoa, I lose nothing by taking it out from the start so that I can clean out all the blood that is stuck to the bone. So I'm just going to show you how I did this. And if you want, you can use hand glove for this if you don't want your hand smelling like fish after you are done. But I'm comfortable because I'm going to wash my hand thoroughly. Next, I'm going to take out the thing inside the head. You guys, what's the English name for this? I'm going to take it out. So you're going to push everything to one side for ease of removing. Don't just remove it one by one. Once you take out the dirt, the guts, go to the head and push everything on the head to one side and it will just come out perfectly. Next, I'm going to clean the inside under running water. If you don't want to use running water, you can do it in a bowl, but you guys, I'd rather just do it in my sink. So I'm going to use this small knife to gently scrape out all the blood, the black blood that is stuck inside and also on the bone. Some of you might be asking, why should I make this at home when I can simply buy it at the market? Have you seen the price of this thing in the market? And for those of us that live abroad, you cannot get this in the market. You have to do it by yourself. So yeah, you should absolutely do it and not miss out on the Nigerian market vibe. You can do it in your own home, and there's a lot of things that you can use this fish for. You can use it for your asaro, which is your porridge, or you can use it for moi moi. You can add it to your beans porridge, just name it. You can use it to make your pasta dish, just one pot mackerel fish pasta. Oh my god, you guys, you don't know how delicious this thing is in spaghetti. It comes out really nice. Well, this is me giving it one more rinse, and then I'm going to wash my sink, but of course off the camera. So what I'm doing here is rolling a cling film on my work surface instead of using a chopping board. I prefer to use a cling film. That way all I need to do is just take off the cling film and wipe that place down instead of using minutes and minutes to wash my chopping board. The next thing I'm going to do now is fold this up. It is actually not necessary to fold it. You can go ahead and roast this as it is, but we are making it just to have that market feel, just as we buy it from the market. So what I did here was to put the tail in between the mouth, and I will just use the toothpick to hold it. So I am not putting the toothpick on the tail, just from the head to the mouth, and then the tail will be hanging in between and it's going to hold perfectly. Because if you are trying to grab the tail, you are going to spend forever there, as toothpicks these days are not as hard. And there you have it, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is transfer this into the crisper basket of my air fryer. You can simply lay this on your roasting rack if you are using an oven, but ensure you spray it with baking spray or oil so it doesn't stick, which I forgot to do in this video. Mackerel fish is already nice on its own, but some of you will come for me and be like, why did you not add salt? That's the only reason I added salt to this. Usually if I'm making it off camera, I will not add salt because as far as I'm concerned, it's already nice on its own. So I'm going to roast this in my air fryer at 150 degrees for 35 minutes. 150 because I don't want it to just go ahead and fry without roasting properly. I want it to sort of dry out. So 150 degree for 45 minutes or 35 minutes, sorry. And if you are doing it in the oven, you can do it for 50 minutes, but keep an eye on it. And you guys, that's it. See you in my next video.